Assalamu alaikum and good evening, my friends. Today we are going to practice with the students. What's our topic today? आज हमारा टॉपिक क्या है भाई? आज हम स्टूडेंट के साथ ऑल टेंसेस की प्रैक्टिस करने वाले हैं and it's very important sessions. And look at that on the boards. I have written how to practice all the tenses with the students in Urdu or Hindi. So I'm going to call one of my students and I'm going to ask a few questions in Urdu and he's going to translate the sentence into English. So I call Muhammad Khan, please. Khan Muhammad, please come here.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. I'm going to ask you a few questions in Urdu and you have to translate into English. Are you geared up?
Yes, sir, inshallah.
मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ.
I go to school.
मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूँ.
I am going to school.
मैं स्कूल जा चुका हूँ.
I have gone to school.
तुम क्या कर सकते हो?
What can you do?
मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ?
What I can do for you?
वो सुबह से खेल रहा है.
He is playing since morning.
मैंने इंग्लिश सीखी है.
I have learned English.
क्या तुम इंग्लिश सीखते हो?
Do you learn English?
वो इंग्लिश कहाँ सीख रहा है?
Where does he learn English?
मैं कल गाँव गया.
Yesterday I went to home.
मैंने कल विलेज ओके. मैं कल स्कूल गया.
Yesterday I went to school.
मैंने कल रात ख्वाब देखा.
Last night I dreamed.
मैं अपना वायदा पूरा करूँगा.
I fulfilled my promise.
वो सुबह से खेल रहा था.
He was playing since morning.
He had been playing since morning. That's okay. That's good. Okay. तुम क्या करते हो?
What can you do?
What do you do? मैं इंग्लिश बोलता हूँ.
I speak English.
क्या तुम्हें इंग्लिश आती है?
Do you know English?
तुम कब से इंग्लिश सीख रहे हो?
How long time do you learn English?
How long have you been learn English? Okay. चलो ये बताओ कि भाई प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस की उर्दू में क्या साइन होती है?
ती है, ता है, ते हैं, ती हैं, ती हैं, ते हैं.
अगर थर्ड पर्सन हो ही शी इट सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट आ जाए तो हम वर्ब के साथ क्या लगाते हैं?
SESAREIS.
ओके. कैन यू गिव मी एन एग्जांपल?
He eats meal.
ही ईट्स मील. अगर मैं ऐसे कहूँ कि भाई वो पतंग उड़ाता है तो क्या इंग्लिश होगी?
He flies a kite.
ही फ्लाइज अ काइट. वंडरफul. ओके. कैन यू से समथिंग अबाउट दिस इंस्टीट्यूट?
Yes, sir. It is my. Yes, sir. I want to tell my all friends, if you want to learn English grammar very well, then you come to Sir Lakhmir. Inshallah, he will teach you English grammar very well. And you don't go to a university, because sir is the best way of university. Inshallah, sir will teach you English grammar in 3 years or 4 years, and then you go to a university for any grade. Then you can go.
That's wonderful. Actually, he advised you that first you come learn English here and you will go to university for a degree. As you know that English is very important subject and all the subjects are written in English. So that's why he advised you first come in our institute, the people of Jacobabad, and he advised them you must come and learn English. It will help you to complete his or her degree there. Now I'm going to call another student. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to call another student, Sajid. Please come here. Sajid, I'm going to ask you a few sentences in Urdu or Hindi and you're going to translate. मैं आपका दोस्त हूँ.
I'm your friend.
क्या वो आपका दोस्त था?
क्या वो आपका दोस्त था? Was your friend?
मैंने खाना खाया है.
I ate meal.
मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ.
I'm eating meal.
मैंने खाना खा चुका था.
I have eaten meal.
I had eaten meal.
I had eaten
वो सुबह से क्या कर रहा है?
What he has been doing since morning.
मैं स्कूल गया.
I went to school.
मुझे स्कूल जाना चाहिए.
I should go to school.
क्या तुम स्कूल जा सकते हो?
Can you go to school?
वो इंग्लिश बोलता है.
He speaks English.
क्या वो इंग्लिश बोलता है?
Does he speak English?
क्या उसने इंग्लिश बोली?
Did he speak English?
क्या वो इंग्लिश बोल रहा था?
Was he speak English?
उसने इंग्लिश बोली थी.
He had spoken English.
मैं इंग्लिश बोलूँगा.
I will speak English.
मैं आपकी मदद करता रहूँगा.
I will be helping you.
I will be helping you. मैं तुम्हारी मदद कर चुकूँगा.
I will have been helping.
I will have helped you. I will help you. Okay. And I'm going to ask you another question. Do you know sign of past simple tense?
Yes, sir.
उर्दू में
Yes, sir.
उर्दू में
Alif, alif, ye, badi ye.
छोटी
छोटी।
कैन यू मेक एनी सेंटेंस
Yes, sir. जैसे मैं स्कूल गया, इसके लास्ट में अलिफ आया.
तो ट्रांसलेट इट
Yes, I went to school.
क्या तुम स्कूल गए
Did you go to school?
और डिड के साथ वर्ब की कौन सी फॉर्म लगती है
First form,
और प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस में वर्ब की कौन सी फॉर्म लगती है
third form,
और प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस में कौन सी लगती है
fourth form, ink form.
fourth form or ink form. Thank you very much, Sajid. I'm very happy today that I given a task to my all the students. They translate it well, and I hope that you enjoyed this class a lot. And inshallah, we will see you next video. If you like that practice class, so please subscribe and share my video to your friends. Thank you very much.